Hello.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing good. And how about you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Yeah. Yes, doing good. And I'm so glad that I have got just a new friend from South Africa. I think you're from South Africa.
Yes.
Nice to meet you. And look,
Nice to meet
yeah, thank you. And which province you live in South Africa?
Gauteng.
Okay, nice place, I think, and it's completely new. I have got so many friends from USA, Canada, Philippines, and England, and so many countries. But this is the first time I have got from
Yes.
South Africa. And what are you doing now?
You know what? I'm cooking.
Oh, you're cooking. What you cooking now?
I'm making spaghetti and cheese.
Oh, okay. So I
Yes.
I will join on your dinner yesterday. So you cook just a little bit more food for me.
You join on my dinner.
Yes,
Yeah.
just doing fun.
How's the weather?
Oh, weather, it's nighttime, but weather looks like damp. So like
Oh,
drizzling.
damn.
Yeah, like drizzling. We got just little bit.
Yes.
I got some drizzling, and now the rain has stopped, but we may get another drizzling. I think within a few hours.
Yes.
What about you?
It's warm here. It's sunny.
Okay. I see some of guys just behind of you. They are your kids.
No, I don't have kids. They're my siblings.
Oh, your siblings.
My brother, my sister.
Okay, your brother and sister. And
Yeah.
so what I say now, I'm just losing my word. In fact. Yeah, really.
Why would you think I have kids?
Sorry.
Why would you
So,
think I have kids?
no, I don't think so much. It's very simple to have a kids, but it's okay. You have that's they are your siblings. It's nice to hear from you, and
Yes.
that's okay.
Yeah.
And do you like to just travel outside of your country?
I've never been outside South Africa.
Which country do you prefer for fast travel?
Paris.
Oh, Paris, right? And second,
Yeah. France.
a nice country. And do you think? Do you think what I say? Just you like to meet with one of your best friend?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. I already just passed 8 minutes. I think it's. I'm sorry if I missed to disturb you as you are cooking at your home. I'm just so sorry, and my apologies to you and all of your siblings because I just disturbed you already, and I'm sorry now. Anyway, times is coming down now. I'm just drop the call, okay? And hopefully we will join on another day after dropping
Okay.
this live. I will keep my promise, I swear, okay?
No problem.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Okay. Okay, bye. Thank you so much. You're so lovely friend. Thank you for watching my videos and keep supporting.